Om Shanti, good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 21st August 2021. Essence, sweet children, you are transforming this old world and making it new with your power of yoga. You were born to do spiritual service. Today's question is, what are the signs of honest, true effort-making children? Answer: honest children never hide their mistakes. They instantly tell Baba. They are very egoless. Their intellects are constantly aware that whatever actions others see them perform, they will do the same. They never spread news of the disservice done by anyone. They remain busy in doing their own service. They never spoil their heads by seeing anyone's defects. Today's song is Have Patience, O Mind, your days of happiness are about to come. The essence for Dharana is, point number 1, have an interest in doing service and benefit yourself and others. Never spread news of anyone's disservice. Don't waste your time thinking about others. Point number 2, be honest and egoless and increase service. Wake up early in the morning and remember the Father with a lot of love. Let your deeds be equal to your words. Today's blessing is, may you claim a right to an elevated status and have constant success with the Trimurti certificate of contentment. Again, may you claim a right to an elevated status and have constant success with the Trimurti certificate of contentment. In order to be constantly successful, you need to have a good connection with the Father and the family. Each one has to claim 3 certificates from the Father, the Self, and the family. In order to make the family content, remember this small thing. Let the record of giving regard always be playing. Be selfless in this. In order to make the Father content, be honest. In order to keep yourself content, always stay within the line of Srimad. These 3 certificates will enable you to claim a right to the high status. Today's slogan is, those who do not look at the image but see the living form and the divine activities are those with an elevated character. Again, those who do not look at the image but see the living form and the divine activities are those with an elevated character. Om Shanti.